If your car has this sign on it, maintenance required, and you're wondering how to get it off, then I hope I can help you. And it's quite simple. First, we're going to go over here to the odometer. Step 1. First, push this knob until you see trip A. Step 2. Shut off the car. Step 3. Hold this knob down while turning the key. You're going to turn the key until it's right about to turn on the engine. So right before it says start, you want to turn it on and keep your finger pressed down on that knob. Here we go. Then you're going to see this screen over here which says resetting that maintenance data, and it will say complete. Once it says complete, you can release and you'll be back to your regular menu screen.